vehicle is hand-launched by a team member in a safe manner. Vehicle is in the water near the control shack at the end of the 5-minute setup period. Task 1. Resurrect Hugo. 100 points. 10 points. Remove one pin to release the HRH. 10 points. Remove the HRH from the elevator. 20 points. Identify which of the 3 potential sites is generating sound. 20 points. Install the HRH within the target zone of the site generating sound. 10 points. Remove the cap from the port on the Hugo junction box. 10 points. Retrieve the HRH power communications connector from its holder on the elevator. 20 points. Insert the HRH power communications connector into the port on Hugo. Task 1 complete. Task 2. Collect samples of a new species of crustacean. 5 points. Enter the cave so that your entire ROV, with the exception of the tether, is within the cave entrance. 10 points. Maneuver to the back wall of the cave so the mission station judge can determine that a portion of the ROV is physically in contact with the wall. 5 points. Collect up to 3 samples of crustaceans so the samples are in control of your ROV and no longer in contact with the cave floor. 15 points. Maneuver out of the cave so your entire ROV, including the tether, is outside of the cave entrance. 5 points. Return 3 samples to the surface side of the pool under control of your ROV so one team member can retrieve the samples. Task 2 complete. Task 3. Sample a new vent site. 10 points. Measure the temperature of venting fluid at 3 different locations along the height of a chimney. 20 points. Create a graph of the temperature data versus chimney height. 20 points. Collect a sample of the vent spire so it's completely removed from the chimney structure. 10 points. Return the sample of the vent spire to the surface side of the pool under control of your ROV so your team member can retrieve the sample. Task 3 complete. Task 4. Collect a sample of a bacterial mat. Collect a sample of a bacterial mat so the sample is removed from and no longer in contact with the sea floor. 20 points. Return this sample to the surface side of the pool so one team member can retrieve the sample. Up to 20 points for returning the following volumes of the sample to the surface. Task 4 complete. Good job, team.